In the future, Earth is drowning in trash. Mountains of waste cover cities, oceans sparkle with plastic, and hope begins to fade. A young engineer suggests sending trash into space. Rockets are built, people cheer, and the sky glows with hope. Rockets blast off carrying garbage. The world celebrates as trash disappears. Cities shine, oceans clear, people dance with joy. Trash forms a glowing ring around Earth. Satellites crash, communication fails, and the sky fills with dangerous debris. Debris falls back to Earth, burning in the atmosphere. People realize they must recycle and care for their planet again. Satellites stop working, airplanes lose navigation, and people stare at the night sky filled with streaks of metal and fear. The ring of garbage grows thicker, wrapping around the planet like a prison. Humanity realizes it has trapped itself under its own waste. Scientists propose lasers and giant nets, but every attempt fails. Rockets crash against the wall of debris in the sky. Fragments begin falling back through the atmosphere, burning like fiery rain. People watch in awe and fear as the sky glows red with returning trash. Years later, people rebuild and learn to recycle. Children plant trees while adults clean. The few stars left shine with hope again.